Hey.
What are you doing now in this stage?
It's just mostly finish sanding. Each stage you get finer and finer sandpaper, and you create finer and finer scratches. I started off with a 36 grit sandpaper attachment for my grinder. That got almost all the shape after that mean chainsaw attachment. And that gave me more of a refined shape, and I'm at 120 grit sandpaper right now, which
It's
you
beautiful.
can barely see scratches. My next stage will be 240 grit, which is going to take a lot more time to eliminate all these scratches. But when I get done, I'll probably be at 320 grit, and that'll almost give it a polish on its own. Before I put polyurethane on it. And by the way, most of your water-based polyurethanes, once dry, are food safe. So I'll be able to put food, like fruit, in here.
Incredible.
And it'll be safe without having to worry about transferring any toxins.
It's so smooth that other than like the natural wood pattern, it
Yeah.
almost looks like it could be pottery. It's so smooth.
Yeah, it's getting to the point of being smooth enough that it could be mistaken for pottery if finished properly.
That's so cool.
I got probably another 5 or 6 hours of sanding to do before I put any type of finish on it. It's just one stage after another, and a lot of detail, a lot of fine work to it. Even though it's pretty junky and primitive looking, I was thinking around the face right here of hand carving what's known as Celtic knotwork. So it'll look like a rope going around.
That'd be incredible.
I'm not sure it's thick enough where I could do it, and it won't compromise the integrity.
Very cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.